Hello, my friends, and welcome to day 11 of the 30-day stretching challenge. Today we have a grounded lower body stretch. We will be on the ground for the entire time. So you will need a squishy mat or a soft carpet. It's up to you. You can do this really anywhere, as long as you can kneel comfortably. If you do need a little bit more padding for your knees, just grab a blanket or a towel, just if your knees are sensitive at all. When you're ready, meet me in a child's pose. So take your knees out wide, your toes come together to touch, and just allow your hips to melt towards the mat as you reach your fingertips forward. Add a gentle sway from side to side here if that feels good for your hips. On your next inhale, press yourself up to an all fours position. Hips over knees, shoulders over wrists, pressing into all 10 of your fingers. Extend your right leg long behind you. Ball of the foot grounds into the earth, and slowly rock forward and back to open up through the back of the right leg. The next time you come forward, bend your right knee, step your foot forward, and find a lunge. Take your time to settle into position here. You might want to wiggle your right foot out a little bit wider to make some space for your hips to melt towards the ground. Inhaling, lengthening through the crown of the head, and exhale, press yourself back, half split, right toes flex up toward the sky. Breathing length and space into the back of the right leg here as you think about bringing your left hip forward and your right hip back. Last breath in. Shift yourself forward, coming back into our lunge position. Stay here or bend the left leg, reach back with your right hand, grab hold of your left foot, kick your foot into your hand for a nice quad stretch. Breathing length and space into the front of the left leg. On your next breath, release hold of your foot if you have it, and step your right knee back to find an all fours position. Before we switch over to the other side, let's take some hip circles here. So sitting back with your hips, drawing a big circle, shifting forward and then back. Exaggerating the movement. And then switch direction, go the other way. The next time you shift forward, find a nice long neutral spine. Extend your left leg out behind you, ball of the foot, roots into the ground. Gently rock forward and back to open up through the foot and the calf. The next time you come forward, step your foot in between your hands. Allow your hips to sink towards the mat here, opening through the chest. Nice lunge. On your next breath, slowly shift your weight back, half split. Left toes point up toward the sky. With every inhale, thinking length through the crown of the head, and with every exhale, allowing your body to hinge forward. Slowly press your way back up into a lunge. Stay here or bend the right leg. Catch hold. Catch hold of your right foot. Come into a nice quad stretch, opening through the left shoulder. Breathing into the front of the right leg. Release your foot. Step your left knee back to meet the right. And once again, we'll take some hip circles. This time, just for a little variety, imagine you're drawing a figure 8 with the top of your head. Can you picture it? And we'll go one more in this direction. And switch, see if you can go the other way. And last one, come forward, 90-90 stretch. So step your left foot forward, bring your left shin parallel to the front of your mat if you're on a mat. If you're not on a mat, what you're aiming for are two 90-degree angles here. So 90s, 90, flex the feet, try to square your hips with the front of the mat. And you may already be feeling this quite a lot in your left hip. And if so, just stay here and continue to breathe. But if you do need a little bit more, start to walk your hands forward in front of you and allow your body to hinge at the hips. Noticing when you feel resistance and breathing into that resistance. Slowly begin to walk yourself up to your seat. Unravel your legs, coming over to the other side. You may need to readjust yourself a little bit. When you get there, sit up nice and tall, and then slowly begin to melt your body towards the mat. Slowly begin to walk your hands towards your body and take both of your legs out in front of you. Maybe shake them out when you get there. Let's take a revolved head to knee pose now. Right leg can stay extended. Left bottom of the sole comes to the inside of your right leg. On your inhale, reach up, and on your exhale, reach up and over, allowing your left knee to melt towards the mat. Breathing length through the side body, through the back of the right hamstring. Last breath in. Slowly reach your arms back up to the sky. Taking a twist. Left leg crosses over the right now. You can help it out there a little bit. Sit up nice and tall. Left fingertips come behind you. Right elbow hooks over the left knee. Lengthening through the crown of the head on the inhale, and every exhale, deepening the twist. Slowly begin to unravel. Left leg goes out long. Right sole of the foot comes to the inside of the left leg. The leg. Inhale to reach up tall, and exhale, side bend up and over. Make your way up, seated. Help your right foot across your left leg and take a twist. On your next breath, release your legs out long, give them a little shake out. We'll end with one more stretch here, a forward fold. Inhale to reach up, and exhale, hinge at the hips. Reach your fingertips forward, 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 and allow your chest to slowly release towards your legs. Feel free to stay here as long as you can allow in your day. Otherwise, come back up to a seated position. Taking a second to notice how your body is feeling after our practice today. On your next breath, reach your fingertips up toward the sky. And exhale to cactus them out to the side, releasing any tension. Thank you very much for practicing with me today. Congratulations on finishing another day. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.